preparing Korean carrots. I'm adding to grated carrot 2 tablespoons vinegar. Mix well and put in fridge for 20 minutes. Chop 1 onion and fry in vegetable oil till golden brown. We will not use onion, we will use only oil from it. Put oil in carrot and add 3 teaspoons Korean carrot seasoning mix. Mix it all well together and put in fridge for 1 hour. Cut into pieces 500-gram chicken. Chop 2 cloves of garlic. In a frying pan, add vegetable oil and butter. Add salt and pepper to taste. Add garlic and fry till golden. Cut the cooked chicken into small pieces. Prepare sauce, natural yogurt and mustard mixed together. Add lemon juice, salt and pepper. Chop a few sprigs of green onion. Cut onion half rings. A few pickled cucumbers. And few leaves of lettuce. Place all ingredients one by one on the round Arabic bread. And I'm making 1 shawarma with Korean carrot. Wrap shawarma and heat in a grill pan. And bon appetit! It's so nice. Homemade shawarma. Yeah? Arabic bread, I love it, I love it. I'm starving. This is so delicious, guys. I like with onion, with carrot. I like these two options. Both of them nice. And with carrot and without. Guys, this is super nice.